This is the grim reality of building. There's nothing like a textbook. You have to improvise this sort of work. You just got to make up the best you can. Right, what we got? Pretty good. We'll just get him over there a little bit. Get this course on, and we'll check how we are for height. When you're doing something, you've got to use your eye. Just go with it a bit. Use your experience. This is where your everyday site bricklayer never come across this sort of work. And that's easy, to sort of just stand back and criticise when you're doing something like this, but there is no format, you just got to make it work. We've got to turn that wall was bent as hell, and see what we can do. Saving grace, and all got to be rendered, so that will help a little bit. Right, let's get the level down there. Right, see what we got. So, just touching the line there. It's pretty good, that. Take that. And again, down here is not got to be seen. That's a help. You can be a little bit more, what's the word? Not so spot on with the look of them. Bee 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 bee. You can see now we're starting to take shape. Creating a wall. Remember, if you like what you see, please subscribe. We're always looking for subscribers, and thank you if you do. So what I'm doing there, I've got to chew this out. So what that means, I'll put this piece in, we'll take that out later. Just to keep it all coming up. Now we're getting out the ground a little bit. Okay, got the outside skin up. Now we'll get that one in there. We'll be ready for next week. Morning, my friends, how are we today? It's Monday morning, we're on site, and you've got two old boys with 80 years plus experience stuck in the wet, the rain. This is what happens, kiddie winkies, if you don't do well at school. You end up like this on a Monday morning on an old scabby old building site.
Scabby old arse end of nowhere.
Yep. And that's as good as it get.
This isn't the arse end of nowhere, but you can sit down the road. Sit on your right.
Oh dear, the wind is howling. We ain't got nothing to look forward to.
And I'm not looking forward to the journey up.
No.
There's pirates, bands and all sorts. And that's just the old lady next door.
And this is real web feet country. You've got to be a little bit careful. You only go around in pack, you dare it on your own.
Yeah.
Right, let's see what we can get on with then. We're on our garden wall. This is why Big G is our Edison man and not on the tools. He made some good life choices. 10 o'clock, we'll grab a break. Got that bit in. Get those 3 quarters on top of that. That'll be the awkward bit done, and we can get the other side and get that up. Lovely. Let's have a cup of Charlie. The Gulf Tunes of Campo. How many barrels is this, Bob? It's our third one today, Bob. Oh, third barrel already. Look at that. Big old diesel rig, isn't it?
Stay that side, Bob. That's
a bit like an old camel. Yeah. In the back, Jane, you can see the front office. This is the site office that doubles up as everything. We keep all our stores, facilities. All together. Where we get to stand if it's raining. This is the site office. And they wonder why they can't get young people coming to building trade, young ladies. They can't even look out the blokes they're here. Look at it. What the stores, office, canteen. You'll run and walk. Go, boss. Transported in the modern era.
Yeah.
Look at that. Pushed by an old boy.
Yeah.
Two bits of metal.
Not changed since the Pharaoh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Only thing what they change, boy, you don't get so much whipping.
They give it all this they give it all this health and safety rubbish today. Look at this, you still have to push a barrow.
Yeah, that's the health and safety, but you don't get beat with a stick now.
Yeah, well, yeah, that's the bonus, isn't it?
You get beat with a rolled up paper instead.
Yeah. Oh, and point these as we go because they're drying out. Everything's overhand awkwardly, but that's easier in the long one. Do it now. Cause you know I did it. Combo in my hand. Be Ramona. Yep. You should better get half over half now, boss. You should better get half over half. Well, the last one got back a little bit. Yeah. But you should now better keep half over half. Yeah, but you got to be half, ain't you? Like the last one got to be half, isn't it? So we got to be half. If that makes sense. I know. I'll remember that. Do it now. Dee. You what? Dee. It's nearly 11:30 on a Monday morning. We're saying new sign of the cusper, new sign of a cup of tea, as per usual. Us old bricklayers don't drink.
Stick the chair.
Yeah, stick it. I wouldn't drink if it come over now, on principle. Hello. Yeah. You ain't got the time. I think if the old man could see this now, boy, he won't be happy. He go, yeah. He go, he's like that. Yeah, yeah, I'd get a dozen as well. Have a little check that I'm not on the piss. Bricks. I wonder if he still had his sausage tonight, boy. Back on it, nice cold morning. Two old boys on the knees. A lot of grunting going on today.
Yeah, no good. No good when you're down this low, is it? Like you say, you don't.
If we were horses or animals, like a dog or something, they'd go now.
If we were horses, we'd be shot.
Yeah, you can't do this to animals like that. Yet, two old boys like us.
And you can.
Put down here. Right, I better get on it. Can I do well to get some rim on there, boy? Oh, I know what I meant to say to you, boss. I went into Tesco's the other day, just out of curiosity. I was at the cigarette counter bit.
Yeah.
I go, how much is a packet of Lambert and Butler? 20. She go, £12.
How much?
£12. £12 for a packet of fags. Yeah. But £12 for I said to her, I said, do you sell many? She said, we sell loads. Yeah. I start giving the old, well, I used to sell 20 red band for 99p. And she looked at me like I was some kind of turkey. She must have thought wherever he come, 20 cigarettes for 99p. Well, she did. I realised I had to just shut up then and walk away, but I went, £12? These what? Yeah, yeah. Oh. Old Kentucky Dan vape boy. Yeah. He never used to smoke, but he vape.
Well, you got chicken flavour, do you?
Yeah. KFC vape. Yeah, on your vape boy. KFC Dan boy, he love his old vaping. Like you say, probably got chicken flavour.
Chicken and barbecue bean flavour.
Yeah. Yeah. Did he?
Yeah.
I can't believe it. They're quite addictive, these things, I think.
We started vaping because he said he wanted to talk cut down.
Yeah.
One day I'm working away and he was smoking like this. And then the next minute there's like this huge big plume of smoke. And he goes, mate, I thought you were giving up one or, you know.
Yeah. And then did he eat a mint as well?
No, you don't.
Woohoo! Bit pointing up. Only got to do the cross joint and the bed joint, just in case of seam. Chances are it won't be, but this way. Bone braces. When you are pointing up, you press without pressing. I know it's hard to get your grasp around that, but I'm not digging it in, I'm just over the top. Use that bit of your iron, a little bit on there, swap. Go back over it. All depends how good you want on these big soaks, that doesn't matter, they just basically brush it over and you can see it. But that is what it is. That's horses for courses, so I get that. Baby, 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 baby.